Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to unlock fast travel points. In the beginning, make sure to level up to 3rd level. You can see your current level in the profile. Your current level is located right here. Once you level up to the 3rd level, you can unlock fast travel points. Simply approach the fast travel point, for example one right here. Activate and fast travel point is unlocked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.